Good evening. I am Sudarshan Sukhani and today is November 8, 2020. I have to regret the absence that you have felt. Last video was about a month ago and for different reasons including a sense of laziness, I suspect, I did not do new videos. I hope I will rectify that problem now. So that's behind us anyway. During the period of my absence, a lot of things happened as they should happen. One of the most important for us as traders was the presidential election in the USA. First, there was that uncertainty who is going to win. Then slowly it became clear that Joe Biden is going to win the presidential election. And once the market realized that the US Senate is not going to be controlled by the Democratic Party, the market went crazy with joy. That is likely to put a brake on the more socialist, so-called socialist policies, if ever they were thought of. So the market went wild. It seems that after the 1930s, the current rally in the USA is the largest ever after a presidential election. The market is so pleased at nothing wrong going, nothing untoward happening now. There will be some control and the checks and balances in the US administration will exist. So that's the market. I have earlier explained to you when we were doing these videos that the world markets are all of them following the US markets. Now why they are doing that is something I don't understand. I don't need to understand. We just need to see what the markets are doing and try to follow them. And the why comes much later, many years later sometimes, when analysts and economists and other people try to analyze what happened and why. But by that time it's too late. So don't think about why, just think about what is happening. The US is leading, all world markets, major world markets including India are following. In fact, what I do normally in the morning, I start WSJ.com, Wall Street Journal, and just keep on watching the S&P 500 futures because the markets are closed but futures are still trading off market, and that gives a sense of what the markets will do world over, including the markets in India. If the Indian markets are subdued, then you know that sooner or later they are going to go up. So we are only waiting for a buying opportunity. The market has rallied from 10,800 in India to 12,250 and probably is going to rally more. At least that's what the sense is. So we are not questioning the rally. We are not saying it has gone up so much. How can it go higher? It can go higher. It is going higher. And we are not there to tell the market stop here. Far from it. We don't have that capability. No one in the world has it. Just to put it, George Soros, that very famous incident in 1992-93, he felt that the pound was overvalued, the British pound. So he started shorting the British pound. And the British government got angry. They said, we will not let you bring the British pound down. They started buying. They could not cope up. The whole trader community started shorting it. They did not have enough money to keep on buying the pounds to hold it. Finally, the pound fell dramatically. So the market is supreme. No one can control it, not even a government. My point was simply that we follow the market. We don't question it. Currently, the market is saying that I am willing to go up because the US market is going up. So we watch the US markets, and while it is going up, we try to find buying opportunities and enter. It's not easy. The market gaps up. There is no opportunity. It gives a very small mild decline in the day. Then we start thinking, oh, this decline may be the beginning of a downtrend. Then it goes up again and we have not bought. We did not go long because we were not sure whether the decline is a small correction or the beginning of a downtrend. Understand, the small correction is a buying opportunity. The beginning of a downtrend will not end with a small correction, and we have to take that risk. So we keep on buying till the market tells us, okay, I am consolidating or maybe I am going down. That's the view I have, and that's what I have shared with you today. I hope I will be a little more regular and keep on having this talk with you. Thank you for watching the video. Jai Hind.